Nowadays, the automotive industry is different from before. A professional automotive market requires various positions, but no worries. ESnet Academy is here to equip you with a wide range of automotive skills. ESnet Academy was founded in the early 2000s by Mr. Sam Chang and has been operating for more than 20 years. Today, we offer a wide range of automotive programs. This includes vehicle body repair, which focuses on mastering structural restoration and accident repair. Vehicle service maintenance, which helps to develop expertise in vehicle diagnostics and repair techniques. Vehicle spray painting, which focuses on precision techniques for automotive refinishing. Electric vehicle technology, which keeps you ahead with the latest advancements in EV systems and maintenance. Besides that, we provide top-tier training for prominent companies such as MG Motors, Mercedes-Benz Cycle and Carriage Bintang Berhad and Go Brothers Group. Through these collaborations, we enhance our training programs, support student career development, and offer greater exposure to the automotive industry. Moreover, we have also supported the local fire and rescue department, Bomba Perak, by conducting EV awareness programs, reinforcing our role in shaping Malaysia's automotive and safety landscape. To ensure our lecturers master EV expertise, we provide them with hands-on training at our esteemed partners in China and other countries which specialize in electric vehicle technology. This global exposure enhances their skills, allowing them to deliver the latest and relevant training to our students. In addition, ESnet Academy collaborates with prestigious institutions and industry leaders worldwide to provide unparalleled learning opportunities. Our international partners include South Essex College, UK, Beifang International Education Group, China, Xianing Vocational and Technical College, China, Institute of the Motor Industry, UK, and many more. Our local industry and academic partners include DRB Highcom, University of Automotive Malaysia, Mercedes-Benz Cycle and Carriage Bintang Berhad, Malaysian Investment Development Authority Malaysia, Motor Data Research Consortium Malaysia, Shenzai Education Group, University Tunku Abdul Rahman, Pusat Aspirasi Anak Perak, Polytechnic Sultan Aslan Shah, Supreme Didactic Sendirian Berhad, Dua Tenggara Sendirian Berhad, and many more. At ESnet Academy, we don't just educate, we empower. Whether your passion lies in traditional automotive craftsmanship or cutting-edge EV technology, your journey to success starts here. ESnet Academy, shaping the future of automotive excellence.